Mr. Upchurch, can I ask why you and the school board are trying to have me prosecuted for...
Is that on?
It is on.
Turn it off.
Why are you and the school board trying to prosecute me
later.
for filming public officials and public property? How much tax money have you and the school board spent on your personal vendetta against me for filming public officials on public property? Why are you and the school board trying to have me prosecuted for First Amendment protected activity, Mr. Upchurch? How much money have you and the school board spent trying to have me prosecuted for First Amendment protected activity, Mr. Upchurch?
Meet attorney Frank Upchurch. Frank is legal counsel for the St. Johns County School Board. Through a public records request, I have discovered that on behalf of the St. Johns County School Board, Frank has tried to have me criminally prosecuted on felony wiretapping charges for simply exercising my First Amendment protected right to record public employees on public property. In an email sent on Thursday, September 17, 2015, from Lisa Snowden to State Attorney R.J. Larissa, with a subject header, Frank Upchurch, Ms. Snowden writes, "Hi, Mr. Larissa. Frank Upchurch from St. Augustine called for you. He asked that you please call him back. His number is 904-829-9066. If you need me to call him back to get more information, please let me know. Thank you, Lisa Snowden, Executive Assistant, Office of the State Attorney, R.J. Larissa." In an October 7, 2015 email sent by School Board Attorney Frank Upchurch to State Attorney R.J. Larissa with a subject header of eavesdropping statute, Mr. Upchurch writes, "Case on videotape is Gilder v. State. Here's a link to one of Mr. Gray's videos. I suggest Googling him. He has had numerous run-ins with law enforcement and public agencies around the state. Frank Upchurch III." And in this email, dated October 27, 2015, we can see that Frank Upchurch, on behalf of the St. Johns County School Board, had a meeting with State Attorney R.J. Larissa in an effort to convince the State Attorney to have me criminally prosecuted on felony wiretapping charges. A person charged with Florida's wiretapping statute faces up to 7 years in state prison for each individual count. Meet David M. Delaney. The St. Johns County School Board hired Mr. Delaney to assist Mr. Upchurch in the school board's attempt to suppress the First Amendment. In a continued effort of bullying, harassment, and intimidation, David M. Delaney sent this threatening letter to my attorney on November 6, 2015. "We are aware that your client has videotaped a number of school district employees without their consent. This is a violation of Florida Statute 934.03, Parent 1A. Moreover, Mr. Gray has disseminated these illegal recordings by posting them on YouTube. Therefore, he has also violated Florida Statute 934.03, Parent 1C. It appears this violation is continuing. I do not represent any school district employees in their individual capacities in regard to the unlawful recording incidents. Therefore, at this time, I am unable to advise whether any of the employees will be pursuing criminal prosecution or civil claims against your client. Regardless, in order to protect the St. Johns County School Board employees from future crimes, the school board formally demands that your client cease and desist from videotaping conversations with St. Johns County School Board employees on school board property, except at public meetings where the recording is allowed." Next, in clear retaliation to my filming of St. Johns County school bus drivers failing to perform the required safety pre-trip inspections of school buses, the St. Johns County School Board trespassed me from all school board property. And, as if that was not bad enough, the school board also trespassed me under Florida's School Safety Zone statute, which prohibits me from coming within 500 feet of all school board property. This rights-trampling action taken by the St. Johns County School Board resulted in me being arrested while peaceably assembling and peaceably protesting on a public sidewalk in front of St. Augustine High School. I was holding a sign that simply said the First Amendment is not a crime and public records access is not a crime.
Can I ask why you're here?
I am peacefully assembling and peacefully protesting.
Okay. You realize that this is a violation of your no trespass order that was issued, correct?
No, it's not actually. If you look at the statute, there's a provision in there that
not?
says that this shall not come up out of the road.
Thank you.
There's a provision in there that says it shall not infringe on a person's right to peacefully assemble and protest. If you look at the statute, it's right there
Okay.
in the statute. So that's why I'm here.
This is within the 500-foot safety rule, so I'm placing you under arrest for violation of that no trespass order. If you would, put your sign down, turn your phone off, put your hands behind your back, please.
Again, refusing to take part in the St. Johns County School Board's war on civil rights, the state attorney's office quickly dropped all charges against me. When the St. Johns County School Board's malicious attempts to have me criminally prosecuted for First Amendment protected activity failed, they furthered their personal vendetta against me by filing an unlawful strategic lawsuit against public participation, or SLAP suit. In their unlawful SLAP suit, the school board is asking the court to do the following: enjoining defendant from videotaping conversations with district employees or anyone on district property without first requesting and obtaining their consent. Enjoining defendant from unlawfully posting surreptitiously and unlawfully obtained videos of conversations with district employees on the internet or otherwise publishing them. Ordering defendant to forthwith remove from his YouTube site unlawfully obtained videotapes of district employees. So far, the St. Johns County School Board has squandered more than $50,000 of taxpayer money to wage their war against our civil rights. That is more than enough money to pay a teacher's salary for more than 1 year. Take a good look at this group of thugs. The superintendent, the school board, and its attorneys are nothing more than bullies who are abusing their power and squandering taxpayer dollars to wage an all-out war against our civil rights. At first, they failed multiple attempts at putting me in state prison. So now, they are attacking our civil rights with an unlawful SLAP suit. Make no mistake, the St. Johns County School Board's intent is malicious. Since they couldn't put me in prison, the St. Johns County School Board is now trying to bury me by destroying me financially. And they have unlimited resources via taxpayer dollars to do so. All of this because I made public records requests regarding school safety records, because I filmed public employees on public property, and because I published those videos to my YouTube channel. The St. Johns County School Superintendent, the school board, and its attorneys are a disgrace.